Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope all of you are well. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Wildan Iza. You can call me Wildan. Okay. I'm from Batam State Polytechnic. Okay, before we start, I'd like to draw your attention to my first slide. As you can see, this is my title thesis. As you can see, this is my title of thesis, recognition of major movement patterns with EMG signal using the fuzzy method. As you can see in my first slide, uh, before we start, I hope you please switch off your mobile phone. And could you please keep your question until the Q&A session? Okay. And if you are watching on YouTube, the slide that we will show you available for download from the website address. Okay. Those of you on our email list should have already received a copy of the slide. If you are even and would like to be placed on our list, please let us know. Okay. Okay, we'll kick off. Good morning, everybody, and thanks very much for coming in my presentation today. Okay, and I will start by summarizing. Firstly, I'm going to give you some background in the area of medical. Okay, next slide. Background in the medical field. A prosthesis is known as a medical device designed to replace one of the organs in a human's body that is lost due to a destruction by a disease or birth defect or due to an accident. The process of rehabilitation of person with disabilities using a prosthesis, which is carried out using signal electromyography or EMG to move the artificial hand. In the study, the author used a device called the MyoArmband. This device is a device that receives the response to muscle movement, reading used in the arm, and is manufactured by Thalmic Labs. MyoArmband can also be used to control with wireless technology using a variety of hand movement. MyoArmband can also be used to control video game, presentation, music, and visual entertainment. To connect between MyoArmband and personal computer using the Bluetooth adapter available on the MyoArmband device. Now, next, we go to the next slide. This is I have a formulation of the problem. Which is the problem formulation determined by other in this study are, okay, first, how do I read an electromyography EMG signal? How to collect signal electromyography EMG data? How to classify the EMG signal using the fuzzy method? This is a formulation of the problem. Okay, we go to the next slide. And this purpose from my thesis. The objective of the author of this thesis are as follows. First, can read electromyography EMG signal, can collect electromyography signal data, can classifikasi the EMG signal data with fuzzy. Why fuzzy? Because my method is using of fuzzy. Yes, because I using method fuzzy. And benefit in this thesis have a benefit. The benefit of the research is that in the future it can be used for medical purpose to be applied to people with disability as an EMG-based prosthesis in the further development. Okay, this is a benefit from my thesis. Okay, next limitation. I have a limitation for doing to my thesis. Okay, as for the greater limitation in the study are, first, this study only use one arm, namely the right arm. In this study, the finger movement pattern carry out with relaxation, gripen on open finger, two open finger, three open finger, four open finger, and five open finger. Myoembed sensor is placed on the lower right arm of the right hand close to the elbow. Mechanical design is not disclosed in the study. Okay, this is my limitation. Okay, and next slide is my presentation. Uh, Thank you for your attendance. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye. Good morning, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.